In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Zoho Books official app on your PC. Grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser of your choice. Once you're there, go to the search bar and type in Zoho Books Download for PC. Hit enter and you should see a list of search results. Look for the official Zoho Books download link. It's crucial to ensure you are accessing the official website to avoid any security risks by downloading from unverified sources. Next, click on the highlighted link that typically says something like, Download Zoho Books for Windows. You might find it directly linked in Google search under their official site or possibly as a featured snippet. Click on it and it should take you to the web page where you can proceed with the download. Now scroll through the page to find the Download App button. It's often prominently displayed, so it should be easy to spot. But do keep an eye out for any specific Windows version requirements to make sure your system is compatible with the software you're about to download. When you find the button, go ahead and click on it. Now, depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes. That's a good moment to relax or stretch while you're waiting for it to finish downloading. Once the file has downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your downloaded files typically go. There, look for a file that probably has Zoho Books in its name. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. A pop-up might appear asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Now, follow the installation prompts. Usually, it's a straightforward process where you just click Next a few times. You might see options for customizing the installation, such as choosing a specific folder to install the program. If you're a regular user, the default settings should work just fine. If offered, it's often a good idea to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Once the installation is complete, you will likely see a page confirming that Zoho Books has been successfully installed on your PC. At this point, you can close the installer window. Now double-click on the freshly created Zoho Books icon on your desktop to launch the app. You might need to sign in with your Zoho account credentials. If you don't already have an account, there should be an option to create one right there before you start using it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoho Books on your PC. Feel free to explore the features of Zoho Books. It offers a range of tools to help you manage your finances effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting with Zoho Books.